Hello everyone, welcome to my channel yet again. Today I'm going to cook a pork curry. So this is how I started. Let's see inside our greenhouse. What else do we have to put in our pork? We've got this. I think we can put these leaves. This is garlic. I may put this too. Let's see. आमा यो उयो लसुनको पात युज गर्दा हुन्छ द एक दुईवटा टिप्छु नि ल हजुर ए पात भनेको हजुर I think I'll put this in my pork. I asked my mom, so it's better to put this just for the sake of the color and the aroma that it gives. So let me take one or two more. I think this is enough.
कसरी धुनु ए यहाँ पनि राम्ररी धोकै छैन एउटा भोलि पनि लगाउनु नि
So this is the garlic leaf that I plucked from my greenhouse. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna tie this and put it inside without cutting anything, just directly. So I'm gonna put it inside and I'm gonna do it like this. Let me tie one more. I think this is fine. I'm just going to put it like this. Hold it like this. So this is the black pepper seeds. I'm going to grind this and put it in my pork curry. See. Almost done. Let's eat. I'm not going to put much, just little. This give you the texture. Enough. Let's get some lemon too. I think let's go with this. बनाउनु पर्ने उपाय छैन दाना झरे पनि तरस यसको चिनी भित्र हाल्दिउँ कि है यही है बरु पानी थपिदिएको नि त झोलहरू के बनाएको छ दालहरू That's okay. We are done here. So we are done. We are finally going to put it back once the water is dry. Once the water is dry, we are gonna take back this to our kitchen, the main kitchen. यो चाहिँ राम्रो हो मा सुकिसकेछ नि त्यो
हामी पनि देख्छ मेजामा
यो
अनि बोर
अनि मलाई लागेको छ नि अहिले चाहिँ अन्त
अनि त्यो रिबन छ नि फुस्के थियो कि अन्त काटेको थियो
अब यहाँ चाहिँ बोलाउनु पर्छ
बोल बनाएको छ नि त्यो रिबन भएर त्यो काटेको रिबन नि यहाँको काटेको
यसलाई के भन्छ यो यस्तो डटलाई
डट पोको डट्स
के डट भन्छ
पोको डट्स
ए यो चाहिँ के हो what are this त्यो चाहिँ के हो
मेरो फ्यान नि पिटी र बिग छ
प्रिटी एन्ड बिग रहेछ नि त हम्किनु रहेछ नि त The lyrics, I have to see lyrics Nita. Yes. By the time we are ready with the pork, this number is for you guys. Okay. Cut the bell, it doesn't matter. Where's the net? Oh. I heard it was a secret chord that David played and it pleased the Lord. But you don't really care for music, do you? Well, it goes like this: the fourth, the fifth, the minor fall, and the major lift. The baffled king composing hallelujah, 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 hallelujah. Your faith was strong, but it needed proof. You saw her bearing on the roof, her beauty and the moonlight overthrew you. She tied you to her kitchen chair, she broke your throne and she cut your hair. From your lips she drew the hallelujah, 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 hallelujah. So guys, finally our pork curry is ready, and let's see how it looks now. This is how it looks.
It looks nice. Wow, delicious.
Okay. Rice is ready, this is ready, sabji is ready, everything is ready. I don't know what is this exactly. Dalle paste is arriving soon. Dalle paste. The food is ready. Shall I ring the bell? Shall I ring the bell? So this is our main. Look, so this is ready, guys. We are going to serve it. we have got these pickles, which we may not eat today because it's not properly pickled. Yo, work on it. So these are the chutneys. तपाईँले खाली खाना आउने मुकबाङ पो त आज त मुकबाङ है यहाँनिर Apa-apa ya. Nói đây.
पहिला स्मृति पनि साथ दिन्छु भनेको छु अब ए त्यो जाने नि दाममा ए दाममा त्यही त यही नगरमा
यता ल्याएर पल्छ भने त खोज्दै रे. So guys, I'm ending this vlog right now, and hope you guys have a great day ahead, and continue to subscribe, like and comment so that it will help my channel grow. So see you in the next vlog. Stop ठुलो रहेछ नि. Hold it.
नखाने आजले देखाउनु पर्छ.
Show it in my camera once. How big is it? How big it is?
Ginormous.
Oh, giant, enormous.
अहिले नखाने. Don't take it. अब आजले देखाउनु. आज यस्तो पो रहेछ भन्छ. त्यो यो खाइहाल्दो रहेछ के पो?